Guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your Lenovo laptop is showing a black screen and all you see is a cursor. So to fix this, you can first try resetting the graphics driver. For this you will need to press a key combination, that is Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B. Try pressing these keys together and see if that works. However, if this doesn't work, you can try pressing Control plus Alt plus Delete. This should open this black screen. Here you will need to select the task manager option. Once the task manager open, click on the run new task button. Now type in explorer.exe as shown on the screen. Now tick this checkbox and click on OK. Now wait for a few moments and see if your laptop screen comes back. If it doesn't, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete again. Click on the power icon in the bottom right corner. Now press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click the restart option. Wait for your laptop to reboot and keep holding the Shift key. Release the Shift key once you see this blue screen. Now here you will need to click on this troubleshoot option. Now go to advanced options. Now in this menu, click on uninstall updates. Here you should see a couple of options. Click on uninstall quality updates. Now finally click on uninstall updates again to confirm. Now wait for Windows to uninstall the problematic update and then restart your laptop. However, if you still face the black screen issue, come back to this blue screen once again. Now click on this command prompt option this time. Now you'll need to type the command as shown on the screen. Now hit enter. Now wait for the command to run and see if the issue is resolved. However, if nothing else works, the last thing you can try is press and hold the power button on your laptop until it shuts down. Once it is turned off completely, you will need to unplug everything including the charger and all the other USB accessories from it. Once you have done that, press and hold the power button on your laptop for 30 to 40 seconds. After that, plug the charger back in and try to turn on your laptop. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.